In this clip, we're going to introduce a method of multiplying by 5 using our hands as a calculator. We're going to start with 2 closed fists. The multiplier is always 5. The multiplicand, we're going to count up to, starting on the right, I want to multiply 5 times 2. So I'm going to count 1, starting on the right hand, and then going to the left, 2. So there's the multiplicand. This represents 5 times 2. I'm going to compare the 2 sets. 1 is equal to 1. If the sets are equal, the right hand equals 0. The left hand represents the tens place. So I have 1, 0. You can close all the fingers if you want, but it's much more difficult for me to do it, using the model. But you can do it. Close your hand, close the right hand, and that represents 0, and this represents 1. So 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3, here's 1, 2, 3. We're going to alternate the count up to the multiplicand. Then we're going to compare the 2 sets. 2 is not equal to 1, the sets are not equal. We are going to open the right hand. It now represents 5. I'll do it once. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. The sets are equal. 2 is equal to 2. Right hand represents 0. Left hand represents the tens place. So I have 2, 0, 20. 5 times 5, I have 5 times 4 shown here. The count goes 1, 2, 3, 4. You're always going to start with the right hand and alternate. So there's 5. So I have 3 extended fingers on the right and 2 on the left. The sets are not equal. This right hand now represents a 5. The left hand is the tens place, so it's a 2 and a 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have to raise these two, close the thumb. That's 8. So the sets are equal. 4 is equal to 4. That means the right hand is a 0. So I have 4 in the left, that's the tens place. So 8 times 5 is 40. Finally, 9, and here's 9. The sets 5 is not equal to 4, so the sets are not equal. I'm going to open my right hand, which is already open. So 9 times 5 is 45. So about the 5s. If it's an even number, 2, 4, 6, and 8, the right hand is going to be a 0. If it's an odd number, 3, 5, 7, or 9, the right hand is going to represent 5. And the left hand always represents tens number. We've done all the 5s now.